Hello friends and enemies I will have after posting this video on YouTube for sure. In this video I will challenge Cathie Wood and her ARK team in Tesla valuation competition. You heard it correctly. The champion of tech investments and ARK Innovation Fund and her team faces a challenge from an unknown YouTube investor who lives among polar bears in the forests of Finland. Let's see first how much better the investor royalty Cathie Wood and her ARK team has done compared to Arctic Money's fund and Kristian Niemi right here during the last 4.5 years. Between January 2018 and June 2022, ARK Innovation Fund is up roughly 8% in total. That is quite disappointing for 4.5 years of returns, I guess. Well, surely investor who lives in an igloo in the Arctic Circle like me has done much worse than this, right? My portfolio is up 47% during the exact same time frame. Pretty awkward for ARK, I guess. Okay, I need to be humbler right now or I will look really stupid if the tables turn around, so to speak, later this year. So enough with the history, let's turn our focus now to the future. Now, before we even start, let me make this absolutely clear to everyone. I personally think Tesla is an amazing company making the world a better place, and Elon Musk is undeniably visionary and one of the most intelligent players out there. How can one man set up companies like Tesla and SpaceX? Amazing stuff what he has done. But this is an investing channel and there are two sides to investing, in every case 100% out of times. The other side of the coin when deciding on what companies to own is, has this company produced great cash flows and or will the company produce great cash flows also in the future? And to put it very simply, is this a great company I want to invest in? And then with Tesla here, the answer is obvious. Yes, Tesla is a great company, and I do think so. But then comes the other side of the coin. Every company, no matter how great or poor it is, has a fair value. In other words, how much should I pay for the company today to get access to those cash flows of the future as well as the company's assets it holds right here today? How much should I pay for it? Everything has a price in this world, and so does Tesla. Today we will make a prediction whose price of Tesla is more accurate, mine or Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation Funds. In ARK's website blog post named ARK's expected value for Tesla in 2026, $4,600 per share, published recently on April 14, 2022, ARK presented their valuation on Tesla and, as the headline states, claimed that Tesla stock will be $4,600 per share in 2026. They also gave a bear case where the stock price will be only, and I mean only, $2,900. So to put it in plain English, ARK says that if everything goes poorly for Tesla, you will only, and again only, 4x your money during the next 4 years. If this is ARK's bear case, I'm not sure why anyone should even look into other stocks or invest in other stocks. I suggest you go read from ARK's website yourself how they justify this valuation. There are electronic vehicles leadership, robo-taxis, self-driving cars, etc. for you. Go and read it yourself and make up your own mind on that one. But it's Arctic Money's turn now to present my valuation. To put it simply, I guess the biggest difference between my valuation and ARK's is that ARK is really buying into all hopes and dreams Tesla can do. They are sure Tesla will win everywhere they go, be it electronic vehicles, EVs, be it robo-taxis, be it ride-hailing. They will win everything big and there is no competition for Tesla at all. And herein lies also my downfall. They can hit that jackpot and win everything. As I said, Tesla is a great company. That is possible, but according to me, it is against many odds. The history has shown that especially car industry, as highlighted in an interview by Warren Buffett himself, has been fiercely competitive in the past, and many have tried and many have failed in car industry. Only few car companies have survived in the past from the consolidation as winners. Taking even a broader view, as these new industries like EVs hold great potential for profits, you know, if there's one industry with profits, the competition will find its way there. That is just simply how economics work. I admit I'm no Tesla technology expert, and I'm sure someone will tell me in the comments after posting this video why I am wrong in my valuation of Tesla, but I still don't quite get what is Tesla's moat. Why are they better than every other auto company in the world? Sure, they are first movers, I know it, but there is plenty of competition existing already. And let me now take an even broader view. I checked how much Teslas cost, and guess what? Not everybody can afford a Tesla. Tesla might be classic leader of premium quality niche in auto industry, but cost leader they are not. There are cheaper alternatives available already. And I am going to claim that for most people a car is still a mean to get from point A to point B and nothing else. If a car can do that, everything else is just extra. Tesla is a great car, but not everyone needs, or better yet, can afford a great car. There will be competition for Tesla. If someone is having huge profits, eventually there will always be someone challenging. Let me give you an example. Meta or Facebook was the only one in social media space for a long time, but is now seeing significant competition from the likes of TikTok and, for example, Snap. Nobody is safe. Let me now show you Tesla stock price and Bitcoin price. Do they look similar to you? It is the same people, the same speculators investing in both of them. They both are like cults to me, and I guess that is why even Michael Burry did not nail his Tesla short back in the days, because of this cult-like crowd behavior buying into Tesla stock and Bitcoin both. Recently we have seen Tesla and Bitcoin coming down in tandem, so Burry was right on his short but failed the timing. This is also one of the biggest reasons I don't short myself. I can be confident on the direction of the stock long term, but I have no clue when will it go up or when will it go down, which you need to kind of know if you're shorting a stock. So that is one reason why I don't do it. To summarize, there's great uncertainty around Tesla's businesses, which of course can lead to great returns also in the future, if they nail everything like ARK is expecting them to do. But me and Arctic Money, we are no Tesla investors here. The goal, I have never owned Tesla stock before, and if someone already guesses, I don't think I'm gonna buy after posting this video either, so never had Tesla stock. The goal for me is to find companies with limited downside but huge upside. To me, no matter how you look Tesla, it is a high risk, high reward investment all the way. And that is not simply something I do. I want to get rich slowly, not fast. I'm afraid with many Bitcoin and tech millionaire investors that they can get one or few things right and make huge returns one time. And then what? Do they become value investors overnight after that one big hit jackpot they nail? I believe not many can make that switch. But what will happen next is that they go with great ego and confidence, looking for the next big thing, and are able to lose most of the money previously made on the next Tesla or the next Bitcoin, whatever that might be. This is what I'm afraid of, and this type of investing is just not for me. Sure, I respect tech investors who acknowledge this and are okay with having 9 out of their 10 bets go bust and then hit big time with that one. That's an investment strategy some people definitely use, and nothing against that. It's just not the game I play. As said, that kind of game is too stressful for me. Investing should be stress-free. You need to feel zen all time while doing it. That is how I feel. Anyway, I guess it's now time for my valuation on Tesla and Arctic Money criteria. Let's go first with the Arctic Money criteria. So, here you can see the Arctic Money criteria of Tesla. First, do I understand the business and the industry? 0 to 5 points. I give 2 because, as said, I'm no tech or electronic vehicles expert. I don't have engineering background myself. I kind of understand car industry, but to be honest, not that well, I can admit that, and that is why I give myself 2 points on this one. Does the business have moat? I give 2 points too. Definitely Tesla has a brand moat. That's 1 point right there. And they do have technological leadership, at least for now, I guess, of everything I have been reading about Tesla, their designs, their batteries. So maybe this could be even a higher points on this moat, but I give it a 2 for now. Does the management team and the board have skin in the game? Yes, they definitely do. Elon Musk owns huge, over 15% of the company, and in the board, for example, Larry Ellison owns 1.45% of the company, and others who are there in the leadership team and the board own significant stakes too, as I checked it out. And actually I can put here a picture for you how much do they own, so you can have a look at it now quickly before we move forward. So management team and the board do have skin in the game. Let's give full 5 points out of that. Then are insiders buying the stock? That's a 0 point. As we all know, Musk seems to be now only selling his Tesla stock to fund some other ventures, like one Twitter that hasn't gone through yet. But nevertheless, the big picture is Musk is not buying, nobody else is buying their own stock either in the insiders. Of the insiders, Musk is only selling, so that's a quick 0 points. Are super investors buying or holding the stock? That's a 0 point. Nope. Are people who I follow buying or holding the stock? 0 points. Nope. And then finally, the discounted cash flow, intrinsic value. Is the stock undervalued? So how I deal with this point, it's 0 to 20 points, the most important one. And if I think the stock is in fair value of 10% annual return, I give it 10 points. And Tesla is not in the fair value. We go to the valuation part next, but I think Tesla is really overvalued. Really overvalued, and that is why I give only 1 point to Tesla. So some of you might be in shock now, but let me get to the valuation in a minute. Let's first check here now the ranking, and as you can see, Tesla got 10 points out of total 50, and that promises pretty bad things. And here is the ranking, and as you can see in my Arctic Money ranking of investments, Tesla takes the last spot, even behind Manchester United. Whoa. Well, you know how my criteria is made here, you know what components are in it. And unfortunately, my criteria is really harsh on companies like Tesla. So with 10 points, you end up last in my ranking, unfortunately. So let's get now to the valuation part. My fair value today for Tesla for 10% return annually would be $370. So I think Tesla stock has room today for a 50% drop or so. So after a little bit of rounding up, I will say Tesla stock will be worth $600 in 2026. If you buy Tesla today, you will not make money during the next 5 or 4.5 years. That is my prediction. Let's have a recap here now. Cathie Wood and her ARK team claim that Tesla will be $4,600 per share in 2026, and YouTube investor living with the wolves in Finnish Lakeside says it will be $600 per share. There is a quite significant difference in these estimates. I guess we will need to come back to this in 2026 and see who won. I would much rather myself own a Tesla car than Tesla stock right now. The car is awesome, the stock is not. I know Tesla has been and still is the darling of many growth investors, so I would be happy to hear your judgments on the stock, and what do you think? Who will win this race? Me or Cathie Wood? Let me know in the comments below. Also, so that you don't forget to check back who won in 2026, subscribe this channel now. I would appreciate it a great deal. It does not cost you anything, and you will be notified if you also click on the alarm bell when I drop a new video. So convenient, so easy, just go and do it. If the new video interests you, then watch it. If not, then don't watch it. We all have limited amount of time to use, and time is money, as you know. I hope some of my videos give some value to you, and I'm grateful if you had the energy to watch this till the end. Thanks for watching this one, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye!